Okay, welcome to Algebra 1, Semester 2, Unit 10, Section 5.4. Today what you're going to be working on is changing the values A, B, H, K in our transformation of the exponential function. Okay, and this is in the form a b to the x plus k or minus k, but the formula is plus k. So what is the domain? Remember, on a graph, the domain is the x values for that graph. So it is the x values for the function. And what is the range? These are the y values for the function. So if you have areas where the graph just doesn't occur, you make sure and show the limits in your domain and range. What is the graph shape if b is greater than 1? We saw this yesterday. If b is greater than 1, we have an exponential growth. What is the graph shape if b is between 0 and 1? Again, we saw this yesterday. It is an exponential decay. Okay, right now, if you can get online and look at this site, it allows you to change your a value, your b value, your k value in this function. Oh, and it also has an h value. I didn't put the h. It should be x minus h up here. Okay, so if you can do that, go ahead. Otherwise, in class, we'll have a computer set up where you can do that. Fill in the blanks after discussing with your small groups what you observe from the interactive computer simulation. So that's really all the video tonight. I've got a couple typos here that I need to correct. It says, sketch the effect on the graph here if you have a negative h. Now remember, if it's a negative h, that it's really it's really x minus h. And if it's a positive h, it's x minus a plus h. So it looks like a positive h, but it's really negative h. Looks like a negative h, but you really got a positive h value. Remember how that x term always looks backwards. So we have a times b x minus h plus k. That's what our formula is for these. And that's what we're talking about, is how do the a affect the graph, how does the h affect the graph, and how does k affect the graph? Okay, so then you'll look at the negative k, 0, positive k. You'll look at the negative a, which is out in front, 0a, and positive, that should be positive a. Okay? So if you're at home looking at those simulations, go ahead and look at that. In class, you're going to do the attached exponential transformations activity sheet. Notebook work on this section. You'll find that back here on the last 2 pages of your packet. And we'll be using the simulation to do those. So that's the end of the video today. Thank you very much.